Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. So here we are covering visuals under this playlist. So in the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about this ArcGIS map visual. I hope guys now you have good understanding about this ArcGIS map visual. And now in today's tutorial guys, we will talk about the next visual of Power BI, which name is Power Apps. So before start this class guys, let me give you brief knowledge about this Power App. Power App is a suite of apps, services and connectors as well as data platform that provides a rapid development environment to build custom app for your business need. So this is the definition guys of Power App. So with the help of this Power App visual guys, we guys can design our own application with same dataset which we guys are using here under this report. And with the help of this Power App visual guys, we guys can integrate Power BI desktop with Power App. And now let's move towards the practical page and understand about this Power App visual. So guys, here we guys can see I have created a small report here where I have taken one pie chart visual here where I have displayed country wise sales, and I have taken one more visual which name is table visual where I have displayed detailed information with full names, countries, product and sales. And now guys, in today's tutorial, we will also learn how to build application with the help of Power App. So this class guys is going to be more interesting because you guys are learning Power App as well. So before building this application guys, I would like to tell you two prerequisites of using Power App visual. The first one is you should have at least Pro license. And the second one, there should be a gateway connection is must. So if you guys don't have the gateway connection, you guys cannot connect to the data with Power App. So we are not going to cover any gateway related things here. So if you guys don't have any idea about the gateway, so I would suggest go and watch my full course playlist where you guys can learn free knowledge about all the concepts of Power BI. And I have also covered gateway in a very well manner. So let's get started. And now guys, I am taking this Power App visual from this visualization pane. And now let me resize this visual and place it here. And now guys, look at the parameter of this Power App visual. So here we have just only one parameter which name is Power App data. And here guys, you guys can drag and drop any field here. So let's suppose guys, I need to take two fields here like country and its product. So what I need to do guys, I simply expand this customer table from here and simply select this country field from here and drop here under this Power App data parameter. And now guys, I will also take this product field here and drop here under this same parameter. So in this way guys, you guys can add multiple fields here under this Power App data parameter. And now we guys can see here are two options are appear. The first one is choose app and the second one is create new. So here under this video guys, we will create a new application. So I will select this second option which name is create new. And once you click it guys, so here we guys can see the option of go to Power App Studio. So let me click this go to Power App Studio. And now guys, the moment I click this Power App Studio, so your browser will automatically connect to the Power Studio. So here we guys can see this is the interface of Power Apps. And here we need to click here on this skip. And now guys, here we can see we have created a small application where I can see the countries. And in today's tutorial guys, we will learn about multiple features of Power App so that you guys can create more attractive and beautiful app. And here guys, we will learn only few features about Power App because this tool is more advanced like Power BI. So it's not possible to cover everything here under this single tutorial. So here we are just only learn how to build basic app and use in Power App visual in Power BI. So if you guys wants to learn about this Power Application tool in detail, so you guys can explore by yourself. So now guys, firstly I need to create a title here under this application. So firstly we will learn how to create a title. So firstly guys, let me make it resize. So I will select this border and drop here so that I can get some space here to add title. And now I will click here on this plus button which is insert. And here we guys can see we have a list of options are here. So you guys can explore by yourself. So here guys, I need to create a title of this application. So I will simply select this first feature which name is text label. And you guys can add any of the title here according to your requirement. So I am adding title here as countries and products. And in the right side guys, you guys can see we have various formatting features. So firstly guys, you need to select this text. And from here guys, you guys can increase or decrease the font size. So let me increase at 28 and click outside. So see guys, our font size has increased. And now guys, again select this text. And now you guys can explore more formatting feature. Let's say I want to change the font style. So just click here on this drop down and select this Georgia. And if I scroll it down, you guys can also change the color from here. So I am taking as blue. And from here guys, you guys can also change the background color. Let's say light red. See guys. So here we guys can see we have many features to explore. So you guys need to explore by yourself. And from here guys, I can also increase the app size. So this time I have selected 30. Now let me increase the size of this app. See guys. And now guys, I would like to tell you one more interesting feature of this Power app. So this time guys, you guys can only see the countries here under this top of this app. But we have selected two fields, which is countries and products. So if you guys wants to product comes at first instead of countries, so you guys can interchange the values. So to changing the values guys, you need to select this application first. And here you can see the option of edit fields. So whatever the fields you have selected guys, you guys can interchange from here. So let's say I want to come product as first. So I'll select product here. And see guys, now we can see the product here under the display. And now we guys can see it returning products. And here guys, we have one more feature which name is themes. So from here guys, you guys can also select your themes. So this time it is selected blue. So let me select as red. And click outside. So see guys, our themes change into as red. So here are many more themes guys. Just select this drop down and scroll down. See guys, let's suppose I want to select this aqua theme. So you guys can simply select from here. And let's suppose guys, if you want to change the format of this text, just simply select this text label. And again guys, you guys can increase or decrease the size from here. And you guys can also change the color of your background, of your text or anything. Let's say I'll take it as blue again. And from here guys, we guys can also set the background. So in this way guys, you guys can make your application more attractive and beautiful. And now guys, let's understand one more interesting feature of Power App, which name is layout. So you guys can also change the design of your application with the help of layout. So firstly guys, you need to select this application. And here guys, we guys can see the option of layout. So simply select this drop down guys. So here we have different kinds of layout, like title, subtitle and body, image and title, image title and subtitle. So you guys can select any of the layout according to your requirement. So let's suppose guys, I want to see country and product together in front of application. So I will simply select this title and subtitle and body and click outside. And now here we guys can see country along with its product. So in this way guys, you guys can design your own application with your own features. So if you guys want to increase or decrease the size of your text, so simply select this text guys and change the formatting style from here. And now guys, I want to again choose the previous layout. So I will simply select this application from here. And again go to here this drop down and select the title. And from here guys, you guys can also change the icons. So let's say I want to change icon as filter. See guys. And similar way, you guys can also change the formatting. And finally guys, we need to save this application. So either you guys can select from Control Save from here, or you guys can simply press Control S from keyboard. And here guys, we need to rename your application here. So you guys can take any of the name. So let's say I am taking Shubham Power Apps. And click here on this save button. And now guys, our application is saved in Power App Studio. And now let's go back to the report. And see guys, we guys can see the same application here which we have created in Power App Canvas. And this application guys will also interact with other visual. Let's say if I select USA here. So here we guys can see this application is also interacting with this other visuals. So in this way guys, you guys can interact with this application and use this Power App visual in Power BI desktop. So I hope guys you have definitely enjoyed this tutorial and cleared with all the feature of this Power App visual. And for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And if you click here on this playlist button guys, so here we guys can see we have multiple playlists are here. So with the help of this DAX expression playlist guys, you guys can learn DAX functions from scratch, where I have tried to cover each and every DAX functions in detail. And if you guys click here on this update playlist guys, so here you guys can see the latest updates about Power BI. And with the help of this visualization playlist guys, I am also trying to cover each and every visual in detail. And those who are visit first time on this channel, kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. So stay connected with us for such kind of detailed learning. And for the job seekers guys, we also have created a Telegram group where I am keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers, which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and trainings. But if you still think guys you require paid training sessions, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day one class guys, I prepare for you interview rounds with some scenario based stuff which is asked by an interviewer. So for paid training support or any other queries, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.